Welcome to the Chemistry, Biology and Math Revision Hub. Today we are doing the IGCSE chemistry topics. This is metallic bonding. We're going to begin off with the simple terminologies. Metallic bonding only exists within metals. Within a metal, metal atoms lose electrons in order to gain noble gas configuration, and in doing so they become cations. Since electrons are negatively charged and the cations are positively charged, there is going to be an attraction between the metal cations and the delocalized electrons within the metallic structure. So this metallic bond is going to be the electrostatic attraction between the metal cations and the delocalized electrons. This is a definition that is asked several times. Since metals are giant metallic structures, there are going to be multiple metallic bonds present within a metal structure, as we can see here. There are many cations and many delocalized electrons, and the attraction is going to occur, creating a giant lattice with multiple metallic bonds. And these multiple attractions or multiple metallic bonds within the giant structure determine the properties within the metal. So the physical properties of the metals we're going to look at are: metals have high melting and boiling points, and this is because they have multiple metallic bonds and their giant structure. So many multiple metallic bonds will require more energy in order to be broken. That is why a lot of energy is required to melt the structures or to melt metals. Metals also conduct electricity. Again, they contain delocalized electrons, and these are free to move through the structure to the external circuit when a potential difference is applied across the metal. We also know metals are malleable, meaning they can be reshaped, and metals are ductile, meaning they can be drawn into wires. To explain these two properties, we can refer to the structure we have here. If this is the structure of a metal, of course with the delocalized electrons between them, separating the cations from each other, but holding the structure together. The metal cations are arranged in layers, and when a force is applied, the cations slide past each other. However, the electrons that are delocalized slide with them, creating a structure that can be moved without breaking because the cations will not be in close contact with each other, since there will be delocalized electrons acting as glue between the cations to prevent repulsion between the two, so the structure is still going to be held in the correct position. That is why we can create very thin pieces of wire from a chunk of metal without the wires breaking. So this brings us to the end of this video on metallic bonding. Thank you for being with us. Do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.